Hello there, everyone. It's me, back again. I was going to do a couple videos, but every time I want to do one, my iPod is dead, so I can't do one. I'm going to do kind of like a slight rundown of what I've been buying. I bought this little Legends. It says on his packaging his name's Flack, but all I can think of when I look at him is Hardhead. Yeah, the Red Apple I have in town, well, the Red Apple in town is closing, and all the Transformers and everything's on sale, so I've been buying up, and, well, let's hold him off for a second. I got this guy. I got the Nitro Boost Bumblebee, and I got Flack, and obviously the toy, the main state of the review. Ratchet, which Ratchet? Specialist Ratchet, as it says on the packaging, because I tend not to throw the packaging away. It's Specialist Ratchet, and dear lord is he small. Like, this has really showed me how small toys have gotten. Like, that's the Ice Cream Twins. Like, this is a deluxe class figure. That actually kind of disturbs me. And, well, yeah. He's actually pretty fun. Mine has a problem with the top thing. It doesn't like if you can... There it is. Like, it doesn't like holding in or staying on or doing anything. He's pretty fun, though. He has a gun. Yeah, I bought the Nitro Boost Bumblebee. And I bought this guy. Let's see, get everything off here. Is it the Nitro Boost Bumblebee? Oh, it's just Nitro Bumblebee. Nitro Bumblebee comes with this. This gun. This is what his gun does. It goes like that, and two barrels. Oh. No light. Yeah, two barrels come out. What does Specialist Ratchet's gun do? The exact same frickin' thing, but better. Because there's an actual holding spot, the gun's actually pretty big. The only thing is, the barrels are pointed slightly down on mine. In fact, they're straightly pointed down. And that's because I find it for this. Now the barrels are pointed forward because the gun is at an angle. And I put Nitro Bumblebee on the shelf. The only reason I bought him was because I was not buying Skids. Not Skids Mud Flap, because I just don't like the way it looks. Granted, I'm all for taking exceptions with the way they look in the Michael Bay universe. Hell, there's some toys that don't look human at all. But that thing just is wrong. Anyway, he does have a gimmick, if you can call it that. These open up and have extra portholes for the gun to be plugged into, because naturally, there's only one. And he's actually really nice. It says Rescue, there's the Autobot logo, gold paint on top, molded very well, same Rescue, Autobot logo. Visible head syndrome. In fact, you can see it from the front. He's looking straight at you unless you turn his head around, or like lower the front bumper, but then that doesn't look right. Anyway, let's transform this guy. Flip those. See, yeah, the clips on these are bent slightly, so they don't like staying on at all. Unclip the legs, straighten them out. You see, I thought there was a problem with the knees, but then no, you just have to rotate the feet. And then go like that. Like that. Rotate the entire body, and then rotate the chest. Close that, and then flip that down. And then the shoulders actually can be done couple of ways I find. You can go like that, but I like going like this. What the hell is that? And then this thing, I have to plug back on there, rotate it up slowly because it likes to fall off, and then just collapse that all together. And then here we have the... Wow, this box is actually pretty damn useful. The new Autobot Ratchet. He can hold his gun, unlike most other Transformers. There's no holes on the sides. You see the gun just points down, so every single time he wants to line up and fire, if he will hold the gun, it just aims down. So there are a couple spots you can put it. For some reason there's portholes on the shoulder, which every time it just makes me think of that, and it's like, I don't quite understand it, and you can kind of force it if you like really take liberties. You can kind of like jam the wheel in there. Oh, see, it didn't hold. But yeah, for some reason there's portholes on the shoulders, of all places. I actually really like this ratchet, but it's gonna be hard to understand. But slight head remold, and I would actually really like this as Ironhide. And then for some reason, porthole on the ankle. Yeah, he can hold it both ways, and he's got the strange hands. It actually kind of looks like this one's assembled wrong with the way the hands are. I think they actually are assembled wrong. I will have to fix that. Anyway, there he is in all his glory. I actually really like this toy, given the fact that I, well, don't like Michael Bay or any of the Transformers he's usually associated with. Why? Well, because over massive analysis of just about everything he's ever done, he's failed at everything, making everyone he's ever touched look like idiots. I bought him. I've actually been buying a lot lately. I bought a Sinner Twin. I'm not calling him Twin Strike, the Beast Hunters one. And now I have 3 of these weapons, and I like to do this with them. Take Tailgate's gun, plug that on to Sinner Twin's hammer, and take Megatron's sword, plug that on, and now I have a little hammer, mace, gun, sword thing. And what I like doing... Yeah, I have ADD, so stuff like this is going to happen if you haven't noticed it already in my videos, that I just get completely distracted. Yeah, see, gun thing. Anyway, Ratchet, his arms rotate, they can go in and out separately at the shoulder. They can, like, it's a full ball joint. And then the arm itself can rotate. It can bend almost, it bends quite a bit. And then the wrist moves in and out. Head can rotate. We have slight light piping, but it's, you gotta like shove it right in the light if you wanna. Yeah, see, the glare is just terrible. The legs move forward and backward, in and out. The knee bends, but then that just starts transforming it. The foot rotates and pivots just about everywhere. So, there's Ratchet. Does he have a waist? No, he doesn't. Could have fit a waist on there. Why the hell didn't I? Anyway, there's Ratchet. I actually really like him. And, does that come off? Can that come off? It looks like it can come off. No, it can't come off. Wait, can it? No, it can't. It just looks like it can. Anyway, can front chest plate come off? No, it can't. Why does it... What is it with the frickin' armor parts looking like they can come off? Anyway, that's it. And pretty much what I've been doing. Once I figure out all my PayPal information, I'll be getting another couple packages in. A Tigertron, repaint of this guy, and a Tiger Hawk. So yeah, that'll be that. And one of the only bumblebees of the newer bumblebees that I actually like is right there. So there's Ratchet, toys galore, including my favorite G1 ever. And this is me saying goodbye. See you later. Next review will be in a couple days. La da 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 da. See ya.